Hi, my name is Dr. Hana Solomon. I'm the inventor of Nasopure. Here at BeWell, the mission of our company is first, do no harm. And what that means to us is to be a helpful part of the community. And the way we translate that, our kits are assembled by adults with disabilities. Our product is BPA-free, of course. Every part of our kit is 100% recyclable, and everything is manufactured in the United States. Our mission is to help clear the air one nose at a time. Daily washing with Nasopure can help relieve symptoms associated with allergies, cold and flu, sinusitis, and rhinitis. And I would encourage you to help us keep the air clean one nose at a time with one little nose wash with Nasopure every day. Thank you.